too slow. And you can also reverse it going the other way. Alright, so next we're going to do rays of sunshine. So starting with your pinky, you're going to raise all the way up and back down a couple times, making sure you do the full motion up and down. Right, next we're going to squeeze each of our fingers. Make sure to use your desired pressure. You'll notice this one requires a lot more pressure than the others. And finishing off with our thumb. So we're going to do a forearm stretch, starting with reaching out our hand. With your other hand, you're going to pull your fingers back as far as they can go. You can also turn your hand over as an alternative and stretch it from this way too. So from here, you're going to turn your hand around and we're going to do what we did in the beginning. We're going to do circular motions, but this time on the back of our hand. Right, and then to finish off our stretch, we're going to rotate our wrist, making sure to reverse it on the other side. And then we're going to end off with a good shake of our hand. Now that we've finished one hand, you guys are able to do the other hand. And if you have lotion nearby, please apply a few drops. Usually, we wait until a stressful event to practice self-care, but you don't have to. We can do a quick hand massage before a stressful event to keep our minds relaxed and grounded. For example, before a test, you can do a hand massage to keep yourself relaxed. Thank you so much for